Oh, I've met him.
What are you here for tonight?
It's the correspondence dinner.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, enjoy your evening, sir.
Thank you very
And
much.
madam.
Thank you.
I'll follow you.
Hello, folks. Thank you. Mr. Secretary.
War criminal! War criminal! War criminal! Arrest this man! Arrest the war criminal! I wish I had some handcuffs right now to arrest this man! He is responsible for the death of millions of people! War criminal! Arrest this man!